learn how to create PNR in Amadeus system. First of all, we should know some information before we start. We should know how we can encode and decode city or airport. To encode city, we should know the city name, and we will put entry DEN and the city name. For example, we need to know Paris city code. We will put DAN and the city name PARIS, Paris. Enter. It will show us the city code here, PAR, Paris. And also it will showing all the airport in Paris. For example here, Charles de Gaulle Airport. This A, it means an airport. C, it means city. H, it means helicopter airport. P, it means bus station. R, it means railway station. So when we need to know city codes and we have city full name, we will put DAN and the city name. The other example, if we need to know the city code of Cairo in Egypt, we will put DAN Cairo, CAIRO. It will showing us here the city code. It's CAI, and the international airport here, Cairo, also same city code, CAI. Now, if we know the code, for example, we have a code and we don't know this code for what, for which city. It's mean encode. For example, I know the code of Cairo, DAC, and I bought the code CAI. Enter. It will showing me the same, but in this case we know the code and we don't know the city. For example, when we search for availability from city to city and there is code come to us and we don't know, to be sure before we make a booking this code for which city, we will put DAC and the city code. For example, Cairo. It will showing us this Cairo, CAI for Cairo in Egypt. Now we have city codes and we need to know the availability from city to city and specific date. For example, we need to know availability from Dubai to Frankfurt in Germany. I need to know the city code for Dubai. I have the name, so I will put the entry DAN Dubai. So now I know the Dubai city code is DXB, and I need to know the city code of Frankfurt in Germany. I will put DAN Frankfurt. It will showing me the Frankfurt city code FRA. So now I have the two city codes, Dubai DXP and Frankfurt FRA. Now I need to know the availability on 10th of October from Dubai to Frankfurt. I will put AN as a shortcut for availability need, and I will put the date 10th October from Dubai DXP, we have the code, to Frankfurt, also we have the code, enter. It will showing me all flight going from Dubai to Frankfurt on 10th of October. As you see, this Amadeus availability to Frankfurt, Germany. This 50, it means the flight will be after 50 days from now. SA, it means the flight will be in Saturday. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. The first line, it's showing LH631. This means LH, it's a Lufthansa airline. And if you put the mouse in LH, it will showing the full name of the airline, Lufthansa. And 631, this is a flight number. And this JCDZPJENYPMUHQ, etc. is all classes, flight classes. J, it means business class. J, C, D, Z, this all business class. And this P, G, E, N, all between business class and economy class is premium economy. And from Y, we will start economy class. So we have in this flight business class, premium economy, and economy class. And we will find here DXP at Dubai International Airport and Frankfurt International Airport. This 0100, this means departure time, it's 1 a.m. And 0555, it's arrival time, 5:55 a.m. This E0, that means the flight will arrive in the same day. Now we will go to the second line. EK, it's Emirates Airline, 045, flight number. This flight has first class. It's F and A, this first class. And we will see here after F there is 4. It means they have 4 seats available in this class. After that we will see J, it's a business class. They have 7 seats available in business class. After that we will find Y, and after Y there is a 9. 9, it's mean they have 9 seats or more in economic class, and it's the same destinations from Dubai to Frankfurt. Departure times, it's 8:25 a.m. and arrival time, it's 13:15. It's mean 1:15 p.m. and also it will be arrive in the same day. Line number 3 the same. Line number 4 same. Line number 5 same. We will go to line number 6. Line number 6, you will see in line number 6 there is 2 lines, included 2 lines and 2 airlines, Emirates Airlines and Lufthansa Airlines. That means this flight not a direct flight. This flight is connection flight. And this connection flight between 2 airlines. First flight will go with Emirates Airline, EK 126 is the flight number, and will departure from Dubai to VIE, Vienna. If we don't know this code VIE, like we do before, we'll make encode by DAC VIE. It will coming to us, it should showing us the city name, Vienna. This flight will depart at 8:55 and will arrive at Vienna 12:55. And the next flight will be LH and OS. It's mean it's a sharing flight between Lufthansa and Austrian Airline from Vienna to Frankfurt. It will be departure at 2:10 p.m. and will arrive 3:35 p.m. So now we have direct flight and we have a connection flight. Now we will start to create a PNR. To create an PNR, we should have passenger name, passenger phone number, and destinations, date of travel. Now we will start to create an PNR. For example, we will create an PNR from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia to Cairo, Egypt. We will put availability need and the date, for example, 15 of December from Riyadh to Cairo. Enter. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flights available. From 1 to 5, there's a direct flight. After that, there's indirect flight. Now we will make a booking in direct flight. We have MS, it's Egypt Air, and we have Saudi Arabia Airlines. We have a morning flight departure at 4 a.m. in Egypt Air, and we have also a morning flight 7:25 a.m. and we have afternoon flight in Egypt Air, it's 1 a.m. 1 p.m. sorry, and we have flight in 4:15 p.m. in Saudi Airline, and we have in Egypt Air from Riyadh to Cairo in 10 p.m. So after discuss with your client, he will decide which flight he need. For example, if he asks you, I need to travel with Saudi Airline or with Egypt Air on the flight 652, it's departure 1 p.m. So you will ask him, how many seats you need? If he told you, I need only one seat, you will create an PNR for only one passenger. You will put SS1, it means seat select, one seat, and if he asks you economy class, you will put him in Y class. It means you will write seat select 1 in economy class in the flight line number 3, line number 3, enter. Now you select the flight. Now we will create an PNR. We will put the passenger name NM1 and we will put last name in the first. For example, Salah, first name Muhammad, Mr. Enter. After that we will put passenger phone name, passenger phone number, AB, any number, enter. And we will put TK OK, it's mean ticket OK, and we will make receive RFP, it means receive this information from passenger, and ER, enter. Now we create a PNR. How to know we create a PNR? You will find here PNR number, start from T. If I take this copy and I ignore this PNR and I try to retrieve this one, I will put RT retrieve and I will put the PNR again, enter, it will come to me. So today we learn how to create PNR. Waiting for us next video to show you how to price and how to issue the ticket and how to create a PNR for infant and child and all these details. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.